There are two kinds of time. One is clock time, and the other is deep time, or you can also call it dream time. So the clock time is a time of convenience, but the deep time is time of imagination. When you are in deep time, you are in eternity. And when you are in the consciousness of deep time, you expand your consciousness. All the vegetation, the oceans, the mountains, the animals, the creatures, the insects, all life is part of us. They are all our ancestors. We are caught in this clock time, this lifetime, in the consciousness of, I'm an Indian, you are an Englishman, I'm a Hindu, you are a Christian, I'm a brown man, you are a black man, etc., etc. We go into divisions in clock time. We go into separation in clock time. But in deep time, we are all one. We are all made of earth, air, fire, water, space, time, and consciousness. These are the basic elements which makes everything. And realization of that unity of life is deep time. Time is dynamic. You cannot experience this dynamic time by being sedentary. So in order to experience deep time, you need to be in the deep movement. And deep movement is when you are using your legs and your feet, touching the earth. You feel connected. When you are fixed, static, in a room, sitting behind a desk or in front of a computer, you have lost that sense of deep time. Our modern society is very anthropocentric. We think we are just humans, and humans are somehow disconnected and separated from the rest of the earth, the planet, and all the natural world. So I would suggest that if you want to reconnect, if you want to have a reunion with your roots, with the natural world, and if you want to experience the oneness of yourself and the natural world around you, then go on this deep time walk that will uncover and unfold your consciousness. And you will realize that you are more than just this body. You are nature itself. When I have walked with Stefan, experiencing deep time, I have experienced who I am. I'm not just this body. I'm only a microcosm of macrocosm. The most important imperative for our time is to reconnect with nature. Nature is not merely a resource for the economy. Nature is a source of life. And we have forgotten that fundamental truth in our industrial, mechanized, urbanized civilization. So we need to shift our consciousness from this mechanized, urbanized civilization to a more cultural and natural consciousness. And therefore, we need your help and your support and your participation in this wonderful journey of transformation.